Hi, how are you? Welcome to the One Man Magazine. I'm Steven here. Recently, I received a technical challenge or technical assessment from one of the company during the interview process. So they sent me this request basically. So in this the assessment, there's three exercise. First exercise basically is to deploy a cluster, Kubernetes cluster on any cloud service provider and run an application on it. Exercise 2 will be automate it, write an Ansible playbook, spin out the application. Possible to create multiple instances of this application with minimum effort. The third exercise will be create a documentation on how to use it and how to build image and etc. So basically, after spending 4 to 5 days hard work, the thing is ready. So today I'm going to record down the whole process so that as a part of the documentation as well, because if you ask me how detailed I write, also can't compare on a video how to use it, and also is to test out whether my documentation is that work that well or not. Okay, first of all, I have a virtual machine running here. Okay, I have a virtual machine running on Fedora 33, quite recent one. I installed this purposely for this assignment. I don't know why the Ubuntu subsystem is keep prompting this error. So keep prompting this error saying that my virtualization is not enabled, blah blah blah. So instead of spending time fixing the issue, since my VMware is running very well, so I use VMware as my client basically. Okay, let's put this into D first. Okay, so this is basically is my workstation. So everything I put into my GitLab. Basically this whole thing is this project is open source. You can refer to it how you want to use it. Okay, so first basically I need the Git and the Vim. Okay, so I'm going to clone it, install it in case. Of course it won't why. Okay, of course it don't need the Vim and etc. Okay, where's my clone? Git clone. Okay, there's no Git clone. Let me copy the Git clone to clone the whole thing into this folder. Yeah, and then execute the script to prepare this workstation for the continuous for the next other step. Basically is to first of all I install the RPM Fusion repo, and I generate a key, so I have to press twice to skip this key is to save into the workstation, the Linux node, for me to SSH in. Okay. Okay. Do I sudo anything? Okay. I think I need to change this script also. Okay, let's do the change here. Let's change the script since he give this kind of prepare sh pip. Where's the pip? Install request. Okay, let's add this dash dash dot user dash dash users. Okay, let's ignore this thing first. Okay, so okay, according to my documentation, so after prepare, basically what it does is install the RPM Fusion, install the Cube control, generate SSH key, install the key again, install the Ansible and the GCP module. Okay, done. Next, you need to retrieve the GCP credential. Basically, you need to create a service account. You grant an access to this service account and download the JSON credential. Basically, I already got it, so I'm not going to do it here. I will copy the Ansible to here. So sorry. Okay. So okay. So I already did all this during my testing. So I just copy over from my root folder. I copied to here. Okay. And then enable GCP API, enable the compute engine API and the SQL API. I put the link here. You can refer and continue to enable it. And then after you install Ansible, you have to enable the GCP compute plugin in the Ansible config file. So basically, I already did it. Ansible config or Ansible what? Ansible config. Okay, plugin. Next. Where is it? So you see, I already enabled the plugin here. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, you need to modify this GCP project file. Okay. Initial cluster. Let me refer back my initial cluster. Okay, this is my project ID. Okay. Done. So after I change my so I can modify the size, this space size, and also the machine type at the create instance. So let's see what are the parameter here. So I put 50 GB. I create a E2 standard 2 machine. Since I'm using cloud credit, so I don't mind using a bigger one machine. If you are using your own machine, own money to play, then maybe you want to use a smaller machine. Modify So when everything is ready, you can issue this command. Let's see. Okay, basically command is Ansible play key file username and environment. The only thing we need to change is this environment, because I will append this environment to all the the nodes that we create. So I just put in. Otherwise, you need to delete the old one and only create a new one. Then only you can move on. And also, you can use this script to create multiple environment. It's not limited to only one environment, so you can create multiple Kubernetes cluster if that's the case, right? So that's the reason why I put in environment variable there. Okay, what it did is every machine, it will create one disk, then create one IP address. So basically is something here. You can see the IP address here. First, it will create the disk here first. In the GCP, it will create the disk. Then only it create the external. Then only it create the. After that, only it create the machine. You can see VM demo. I put it this purposely. Okay, so now it go to VM2. In total, it will create up to 3. Of course, you can create more than as many as you want. All you need is create instance. Sorry, all you need is add instance. Okay. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, okay. Sorry, not here. You need. Okay, sorry, it's here. So if you need more than 3 machines or 4 or 5, you can put in additional under here. You can put in any name you want. It's okay. Yeah. Okay, so after that, after you create the 3 instance, he will create another DB instance at this, create another DB instance, create another instance for Nginx as a gateway, and then install the Docker service into the Nginx machine only. Then these all steps are for the install Docker, enable Docker, install Docker, start the Docker service. Then after that, I ping the rest of the 3 machine. This ping is not only the normal ping we refer to. Basically, it will do a SSH handshake, not only do the normal ping. Okay. So now you can see 1, 2, 3, all machine is up. And then now it's up to create DB. Let me see. Not yet, not started initial. But here already should have 3 machine. We need all this info later. Okay, you need this info later. See, the SQL is created, the DB instance is created. So we wait for another step to start. DB creation will take some time because actually it's also create DB method, create DB here. So same thing, you need to create a DB instance first. It's a virtual machine. Then you create the database. Then this database is a database itself, basically, and then you create a DB user account. All this is prepared for the WordPress that I'm going container that I'm going to install. I prepare for it, so I just put in all these things inside there. So you can see the DB, the database. Now it's come to create a DB account. We're done, DB account done. Now we move on to create the Nginx server. There's a lot of waiting, so if you can't wait, you would like to fast forward, you can move on. Oh, okay. So this is because due to my previous SSH was having issue. So okay. This time it will be much more faster because once the thing created, it will just skip. Once it noticed that the task was created and works, it will just move on to next task. Of course, normally if you are running this script from a brand new machine, you won't get the error that I receive. That is because I did a lot of tests, so the public IP was reused. That's why you get this error. Not to mean I want to show you this is a live recording, but just a mistake. I forget to clean it up. What's wrong? Oh. Wait. Key. I have key here, but key is here. How come? Become root already, what? How come? To the list of root key. Oh, permission denied again. How come I should change the key code already? What? Okay, I faced this problem before. This is built to. Just now I run the key with a suroot, so that's why this become I supposed to take care by the prepare sh what? Yeah, you see here, it's not working, man. Oh, because I sudo. Okay. Now needs to sudo already. Okay, let me file again. Okay, let me fix the script. Sound like the script not good enough. Okay. Okay, after change you can see actually now it works. Sudo change owner inside they cannot sudo. Okay. I change my documentation. Add 2 more steps to change the public key owner before I run this, and I execute this playbook. So you can see the error resolved. So first you will try to remove any existing Docker service, then you install the yum utility, then add the Docker repo, enable the repo, and installing Docker. Okay, so you can see it start the Docker service. Like I said just now, we try to ping the instance, so we don't include ping the nginx because I believe since we can do things inside should be fine. So before that I just do a ping on the cluster nodes. Okay, so after this we move on to the next step. Provision the nodes. Okay, so you initiate the Git Kubernetes. So at here I'm going to use a kube spray script, Ansible script, to help us. So clone the whole Git kube spray inside. Okay, here, okay, at this we need to change a bit. I need to replace the list of IP. So in order to find out what IP to replace here, I need to go back to the Google console here and refer to the nodes these three are nodes, this NGX. So the nodes is from 50 to 52, 51, 52. Okay. So actually it doesn't matter. At the end, I still need to change the file, but just to follow the documentation of the cube spray, we just do it. Actually, this file at the end, we still need to modify. 50, 51, 52, okay? Then config equals to this, then we copy. Paste. Okay. Okay. So we need to modify the files. Name inventory production cost. Okay, so we need to mesh it back. This tool is for the Kubernetes. This Ansible host is for the Ansible to contact. Since I'm connecting from outside, from my home network to the Google Cloud, so I need to access using their public IP. If you have another virtual machine within the network, then you won't need to do this. It depends on how your setup will be. Okay, 129.76.155. Okay, should be fine. Okay, after that's why I put you need to modify the Ansible host here. Okay, so copy and paste, then run. So this step might take up to 20 minutes. It depends. Sometimes it will start halfway. Ideally, we should able to go down to have a coffee, go away, or not too feel. Why? What's wrong? Sometimes could be network issue. Did I type wrongly or something not right? Not too. Oh, I see. Not too typo error. It's supposed to be 35, 35, 225, 97, 96. Okay, typo error, 35. Okay, good. Once it past this stage, it's quite safe. You can go down to your kitchen to grab a coffee or have a chit chat. I will put the fast forward link in the video description, so you can just click on the link in the description to jump from step to step lah. Okay, finally, after a long wait, it's ready now. So let's see what is our next step. So yeah, this is cheating, not 20 minutes, definitely more than that. So okay, we find one of the controller and go inside. Okay. Let me see. Bring out the IP list. Okay. SSH -I key Ansible at 469.110.129. Sorry. Okay. Sudo username. Okay. Copy. So I copy this. Paste that. Okay. And then copy the file over. Copy the cube config file. MSI photo key. Okay, let me change the documentation to put in the -I key into the command. Otherwise, next time you hit the same error again. -I. Okay. And then SCP, you need to change this file, this IP to this IP. Okay. Let's copy this. Copy. Make it straight. Okay, and then delete this line. It's in the document now basically. And then replace this line, the line just now I deleted, with this. Because the search was generally using the private IP, so the search cannot be verified. Okay, so we need to issue this command. Remember to open the 6443. Basically, I open everything for testing purpose. So export, and then now we should able to see some nodes just to make sure we able to connect to the cluster. Basically, okay. So like I say just now, we got 3 nodes, 2 control, 2 master, and 1 member. Basically 3 of them are all member nodes. They're master also at the same time they are. Okay, so I include a smoke test some smoke test for those who want to test it out thoroughly whether the Kubernetes working. For me here, I just copy local volume and local WordPress. So vim WordPress deployment. Okay, basically when just now I create the DB, I already create using this username and this password. So I just need to change this. This instance. Okay. So deploy WordPress, change this password. If you change, then you can apply. And then we go back. We should get this. Okay, the WordPress is working under this port 31465 Okay, at this point we should able to visit this using the public IP. Let's see whether it works or not. Is it working? Wrong IP. Oh, yeah, correct. Supposed to already able to access. Yeah, correct. Okay, let's see. Get ports. Okay, it's running. Okay, this two is not working. At least this is working. Okay, at least this is working. Okay, now we move on to the Nginx. Okay, so we need to SSH the Nginx nodes. So let me check where's the Nginx node IP. Google Cloud Nginx node. Okay. So first of all, sudo Ansible, sorry, SSH -i dot G Ansible alias 64.82.61.199. Qspay. Not correct, man. Qspay. Crap. Oh, typo error. Ansible. Okay. So basically what I'm doing is install the Vim, get the script inside, change it, and sudo and set it up. Sudo. ls sudo. What? That's it. Oh, I thought you were in chmod. The script not nice yet. Okay, let me change the script a bit, my documentation. Change. Okay, done. Now what's next? Modify, need to change the name and also the IP, server IP. So Vim etc nginx on fd WordPress. Okay, this one you change accordingly to yours, right? Just now is 155. 155 is 52. 52. 52. 50. 51. Phone number 31456. 1456. 1456. Okay. Shit. Sudo. Insert 52 50 51 31456 6 456. Okay. Okay, done. Change the server name accordingly, then you can sudo and run it. Okay, at this point, if you go to C, you will see the nginx running. Okay, done. Nginx is up. Okay, good. Now let's go to DNS and change it to the latest IP 34122.61.199. Save it. Okay, let's see how it is. WordPress.behansgame.com. behansgame.com. Am I correct? behansgame.com. That's correct. I noticed there's something wrong. It will take some time to load. Let me fine tune it a bit. Okay. Docker logs web lp -l. Always forget sudo. So we hit. So demo 1. Okay. Copy. How it go? Nothing is loading, but nothing hit my. Okay, I only hit my Nginx server. Wordpress. Demo 1. Login. I believe this is a connection between the the Kubernetes and the DB is a bit slow, causing it, because this is very fast. This is very fast, but somehow here is slow. As you can see, if I refresh the page, main page, will go very fast. And in fact, I'm already logged in, but somehow the page got some issue. Never mind. Performance at this moment is not the way. Gateway timeout. What's wrong with gateway timeout? 52. Do I have 52? Correct. Okay, you can't reach to my let me see. Dashboard already loaded. Change something. How are you? Publish. So change. Okay, basically that's all. Basically it shows that the Ansible is working and the and the Wordpress is working. Let's see if I can scale the replica to 3. Okay, scale. Let's see. Okay, up to date 3 available. Now what if I change it to add more hosts inside. Let's restart the objects and then let's see how it works. Does it work better? Why HTTPS? 31465. Looks good. Why keep pushing me back to this HTTPS? Well, timeout, free upstream, another fire up, client, No, it's not okay. Okay. Let's change it back. Error expected. New post. Let's see how it works. Next. Getting started. Test post. Testing 1, 2, 3. Publish. View pose. Okay, it works. Create your website. Blog. Test post. BBB 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Basically it works and everything looks fine now. That's all for this video. If you're having the same thing that you're facing, you need my help, or you need my advice, or I did something wrong, you would like to correct me, feel free to write your comment into the comment place, leave a word to me. Then yeah, we can discuss from there onwards. Thank you for watching this video. I see you again in the next video. Basically, if you're first time here, most of the time I'm recording the video in Cantonese, but I personally know Cantonese, Mandarin, and also English. So if you prefer me to have a video in English or other Mandarin or Cantonese, please let me know also. Okay, thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.